Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. We do have temperatures that will start out the morning here near freezing or maybe even just below freezing. In most locations, we're actually all the way down to 25 in Idabel at the moment. Texarkana at freezing. Shreveport very well could drop to that 32-degree mark as well. So kind of a frosty morning. There may be a little bit of ice to scrape off the windshield if you parked outside. And the wind's still coming through about 5 to 10 miles per hour, so much lighter than yesterday, but you'll still feel a little bit of a wind with those cold temperatures. So make sure you are bundled up this morning, and you'll probably still need a jacket this afternoon, even though we're not going to see as much wind today. Temperatures will wind up in the low to mid 50s. We should see some sun, but again, we're watching this cloud deck that's kind of been moving down from Oklahoma as well as Arkansas. So you can see it's a pretty persistent cloud cover here, especially across southern Arkansas. As we move through the day, the dry air will probably break up some of these clouds. So I've gone partly cloudy with the forecast today, but we will definitely see some sun pop back out. But I do think kind of a cloudy start to the morning here for you folks across the I-30 corridor. Here's a look at Robinson at FUTURECAST. It's buying into the dry air today. I do think there will be probably some passing clouds, at least through the morning and likely in the afternoon as well. So we'll just call it a partly cloudy day. But the bottom line here, we're not going to see any rain, so we'll be dry today as well as tomorrow. We've got a few clouds rolling through tonight, but it is going to be another cold night with temperatures settling in close to freezing across much of the region again tonight. So we've got this little ridge of high pressure here. That's what's keeping us dry today as well as tomorrow. You'll see the clouds likely increase a bit on Friday, and we're watching this next storm system, which is creating some havoc here in California. They've had some very heavy rain, a lot of flash flood watches. This storm, fortunately, will lose its punch as it moves across the country here, but it is going to be moving through on Saturday. So if you do have some outdoor plans on Saturday, just kind of pay attention to FUTURECAST here, because it does show some of that rain arriving early Saturday morning. More likely, we'll see some of those showers through the afternoon and evening. It's not going to be a steady rain. It's not going to be an all-day rain. It's not going to be a heavy rain, but it will just kind of be lightly scattered out there. So if you do have some outdoor plans, it's possible you may be able to squeeze those in, but I can't guarantee it. But I will tell you that if you have any outdoor plans on Sunday, will be a great day for that, as we'll see the rain move out of here pretty quickly Saturday night and leaving us dry as we move through the day on Sunday. As far as the rain, this won't be a big rainmaker. Still think most locations will probably pick up less than ½ inch of rain, and if you buy what FUTURECAST is telling us, it's saying likely less than ¼ inch of rain, which is completely possible as well, since we'll have a lot of dry air out ahead of this front. And 7-day forecast, one other thing to look out for on Saturday, going to be a very windy day. We'll probably have south gusts 20 to 30 miles per hour or so. That's what will keep it warm despite the rainfall. And again, Sunday cooling into the upper 50s and low 60s. Just really nice weather Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday of next week. And it's starting to look like we could have a pretty good push of rain and maybe storms Wednesday night and maybe into Thursday of next week.